What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, easy to make chicken and waffle recipe. Stay tuned. So we're gonna start off by slicing our chicken breast in half and then maybe do like 5 or 6 strips. All right. Just like that. All right, so here we have 1, 2, 3 pieces, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse this off, clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna add our seasoning. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna add some vinegar. And then you wanna add some water to it. Give it a nice little wash. And drain. All right, guys, so now you know that we washed the chicken, we're gonna add some seasoning. We're gonna add our all-purpose blend or kitchen magic all-purpose seasoning. This is about a tablespoon. Go ahead and add that in. And then I'm gonna add some fresh thyme, about a tablespoon. Mix it up. So we're gonna make it 2 tablespoons, guys, instead of 1. Mix it up. We want to make sure this chicken is well seasoned. And for today's recipe, guys, for the chicken portion, I'm using 2 chicken breasts. All right, so now we're gonna set this aside, let it marinate for about an hour, and then we're gonna start working on the other portion of the ingredient of the recipe. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so now we're gonna start making the batter for our waffles, all right? So here we have some all-purpose flour. This is about a cup. We're gonna add some salt. About a half teaspoon of salt. I'm also gonna add some nutmeg. About a half teaspoon as well. We're also gonna add some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. About the same, about a half teaspoon. Not gonna overdo it. Then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of baking powder. Now you just want to mix everything together, guys, until it's nicely combined. All right, set that aside. Here I have some melted butter. This is about 2 tablespoons melted butter. This is 1 egg. I have some mixed spice essence, and I have some heavy cream. All right, so now we're gonna whisk our egg real quick. And it should look a little bit something like this, all right? Now we're gonna combine our egg, all 4 ingredients. Add our butter, melted butter, whisk it in. Heavy cream, whisk it in as well. Mix it up. And then we're gonna add our mixed spice. About a tablespoon. That's gonna add a nice flavor to this waffle today, guys. This is gonna be like one of the best chicken and waffle recipe ever. Smelling so good, wow. All right, so now you wanna combine your wet and your dry ingredient. We're just gonna add a little bit at a time. We're not gonna add the whole thing at once. All right, mix it in, nice and slow. And it's still a little bit thick, so we're gonna add a little bit of water, guys. About a half cup of water. So we're gonna add about a half cup of water. Mix it in. Once again, nice and slow. You don't want to make a mess. So you want to mix it until it's nice and smooth, not too loose and not too thick. So we're gonna get our skillet nice and hot, guys. Start frying our chicken, and then we're gonna start making our waffles. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so here I have about 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add some baking powder. Just a little bit, not much, about a teaspoon. Shake it up a little bit. And then we're gonna add our chicken tenders. Mix it up a little bit. Drop it in. And then we're gonna shake it again. Shake and fry, guys. Not shake and bake, shake and fry. Yeah. All right, so now once the oil is ready, we're gonna start frying. Let's go. Yeah, man, so we're gonna start fry the chicken them now. The oil is ready. Nice and hot, you know. So you wanna turn your stove to about a medium-high heat. Yeah, most of my recipes, guys, I usually cook on high heat and then turn it down a little bit afterwards. You know, once you have experience, you know, you'll know how to navigate, you know, the whole cooking time and temperatures and all that stuff. But if you're just starting out, just leave it to medium heat. Yeah, man. Alright. And you don't want to overcrowd the frying pan same way. Just do a little bit at a time. Fry it for about, I'll say about 8 minutes, and you should be good. A total frying time of 8 minutes. So about 4 minutes per side, you know, for the chicken tenders, and you should be good. So continue to watch the video, guys. We're gonna start, you know, making our waffles right now. So follow me. Yes, guys, so we're almost at the end of the video, and everything, I must say, came out perfectly. You know, the chicken is nice and crispy, soft, you know, on the inside, juicy, packed with a bunch of flavor. You know, you can taste the freshness from the fresh thyme that we added to the seasoning mix. And also, I did a taste test on this earlier. You're not gonna see it in the video, guys, by the way, but you'll see it at the end of the video. And I must say the waffles are perfect as well. Came out perfectly. You know, I'm tasting the milk, you know, the heavy cream that we added, you know, all the ingredients combined, guys. And we're just gonna top this off with some honey or hot honey sauce. Just to finish it off, just like that. Ooh. Oh yeah. Mouth run water. And then I'm also gonna add some strawberry preserve to the waffles. Look at that, guys. Wow. So now we're gonna do our signature taste test, guys. All right, stay tuned. Oh my God. Wow. It's so good. Wow. So soft. This is a perfectly put together cooked dish right here. It's a must-try dish, guys. Wow, finger licking good. Definitely check out this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.